for a night. Okay, guys, I'm craving today. Open the fridge. Like, what's inside here? Like, what am I gonna get, guys? So been craving all night, so I just like sneak eat, but don't do this, kids, because like you're gonna get hit by your parents. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. I know. I always do this. Oh, there's no spoon. Guys, it's like morning, right? It's like morning, but no. It's like that. That's our solar. How can I get something? Oh, this one. Ouch! That's so gross. Wait. Gross. Ew. There's so busted here. Yeah. That's okay, Milo. Yun, guys. Ngayon, pagkuha tayo ng Milo dito. Yan. Milo. Yun, guys. Ang kailangan pa natin yung scissors. Oh, yan pala. Buksan. Yan guys, andito lang ako nagtitigla ng Milo. Guys, wag na wag yung gawin. It's already 12 a.m. Or green beans pa rin. Okay, kukuha naman tayo ng tubig. Kailangan ng kutsara pero hindi ko abot. Walang upuan dito. Wait lang, guys. Kukuha lang ako ng kutsara. At wala ka ng kutsara. Char. Hanap tayo dito. Ay, walang ay, meron. Sorry. Mag-use na lang tayong chopstick. Diba? Pwede po. Wala kang mahal kutsara. Pwede pang chopstick. Ko talaga mamix. Tapos guys, parang sasabihin nyo, pwede ba maglagyan ng milk? Hindi ko alam, pero sige. Palagi, first time ko nalalagay ng milk ng Milo. Kung ko diba babagay sila o hindi. Kapag hindi, uubusin ko pa rin kasi sayang. Dami hindi ko makain. Okay guys, we're almost done. And eta. Mix na ba? Okay, na-mix na guys. Parang natin yung milk. Ayan. Fresh milk. Okay, so yung laki. Yun guys, kunin na natin. Configuration. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Willpower. Yun guys, naglalagay na tayo. Okay. Oo nga. Kapag gusto nyo makita yung baby ako, sige, meron akong baby picture dito. Sa baby, maliit na maliit ako. At walang buhok. Look at the difference. And guys, mix na natin. Mix. Huwag kakalimutan yung bread. Bread natin. Okay guys, nakakuha na tayo. Yay. And this is fresh milk. Doshi. Like purple syrup because Papa, di ba mayroon in fresh milk? So, nakuha na natin. Oh my God. Okay. Dito na tayo kakain. Cheers.
Matulog ni dati?
Papa?
Ba, matulog?
Opo. Okay guys, it's 45 a.m. kasi nag-gising na si Papa ko.
Tapos sa church?
5 a.m. na guys, kaya nakagising Papa ko kasi maaga siyang nagigising. Yan lang guys. Bye.